Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Pandit Ji, and today's video is not like other videos that I used to make on technical stuff. Today I'm going to do the unboxing of this pretty cool device. It's a HP laptop, and before telling you the specification and the feature of this device, I would like my video, subscribe my channel and share the video. So let's get started. So this laptop is the model number is 15GS GR000A6AU, and it comes with a Ryzen 3 processor, and it has 1 TB hard drive, and no optical drive you will get with the box. And the best part of this laptop is you are getting the license Windows 10, so you don't have to worried about the updation of the Windows every time. It is for lifetime, so the best part of the video. And it comes with 3 cell, which is 41 watt hour, and it's with the 4GB RAM. It actually comes with quite a few variants, 4GB, 6GB and 8GB. According to your budget you can purchase the whatever you want to. And it comes with a 15.3-inch SD LED display, which is quite nice, and the colors are very nice. So this is the common features that you are getting with the laptop. So guys, this is the device and the box. As you can see on the video, it shows office, home and student, so anyone can use it. It is for all purpose. Anyone can use it nicely. And let's talk about the things we are getting in the box. So this all thing we are getting in the box are this is a charger and the modem. This is 65 watt modem, so up to 65 watt you can charge it. And the pin quality and the quality of this charger is quite nice. And let's talk about the battery. This device comes with a standby battery up to 10 to 12 hours. So, and if you are working continuously, then it can go up to 6 to 7 hours of battery backup. So 6 to 7 hour battery backup you are getting with the continuous working. So this is how device look like. It's wrapped in a protective cover quite nicely. And let's remove this cover. This is the laptop. Now removing the cover of just look how sleek and slim this device is. Pretty cool, and it's looking very nice. The only drawback in this laptop is it comes with only one variant till now. Only black color is available, no other color. So this is the only drawback, which one for the people who like other colors like white and silver, so they will be pretty disappointed with this. But this black color also shoots very nice. It's looking very nice and good. So let's boot up the device. You are getting the cover for keypad also. This is good thing. Let's remove the cover. So we are now booting up the device. Actually I have already set up the video, so I can't show you how the setup of laptop is going on, so I can't show you, sorry for that. So let's get started directly on the review. So as you can see on the video, it comes with Ryzen 3 processor and Microsoft Office Home Student. Anyone can use it. And that side it's the company module, some information about that. And this is the glass and display. Just look at the display, how nice and how pretty cool display is. And you can see with the all angles, and pictures are already nice with the all angles. So this picture quality is also very nice, display quality is also very good, and mouse quality is also good. And touch, it comes with a touchpad and it's very nice, quite smooth working. So let's talk about the budget. It comes with the 40 to 50k range, and it's a mid-range budget friendly device. And according to the variant, you can buy it as per your demand. So guys, the device what I have right now here is a 4GB RAM variant, and as you can see, the device pretty cool and sleek. And talking about here, you get some information and number for some details on the videos for this laptop. And if you have some issues with the laptop and you're facing some problem, then you can call on that number. Your problem will be resolved by, and this is number for extending your warranty. And the warranty for this laptop, you're getting 1 year warranty, which if you are buying for the new one. And the touchpad is quite nice working, as you can see on the video. It's pretty smooth. It comes with the 4GB RAM, so the tasking is quite easier on it. You don't have to worry, or there will be no issue working or doing multitasking. So to get the information and feature about this laptop, I am going to tell you the few steps. So this is how you can access the features of this about this laptop. You have to go to this PC, then right click on this PC, then you will get an option for properties, and you can, as you can see on the properties, you can see all the information. It comes with the AMD Ryzen 3 processor and the 4GB RAM, in which the 3.44GB is usable, and the system type is 64-bit operating, which is quite nice. And for higher version, you can get up to other variant of this laptop. And so this is overall review of this PC. Is quite nice for budget friendly, and in mid range you are getting such pretty cool device. So I'm quite satisfied with the laptop. It's working smooth. So if you are guys actually looking for a laptop in your range up to 40 to 50k, then I would suggest you to go with this laptop. It's quite nice, and as per the working and features, this is quite nice than other PC, and it is HP, so you are getting 1 year warranty with it. So I would recommend you guys to go with it, and thumbs up for the video. Thank you.